Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add noise in Snapseed application. To add noise in Snapseed, you can use the grainy film tool, which will allow you to apply a noise effect to your images. So here is how you can do it. Open up your Snapseed application to begin. From the main home page, tap on the plus button on the middle of the screen. Now, go ahead and open up an image you'd like to work with from your device's camera roll, or you can also take a picture from your camera. Once you pick a picture for yourself, go ahead and tap on the Tools button at the bottom of the screen. Now, in the expanded menu, tap on Grainy Film. Once you do that, browse through the different presets to find the one that adds the desired amount of noise on your photo. Adjust the grain slider at the bottom of the screen and increase and decrease the intensity of the noise level. You can also choose to increase or decrease the style strength for your image. And once you are happy with the effect, tap the check mark at the bottom right corner, and that way you will be able to add noise effect on your photo and give your image a vintage or textured look. That's how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.